Right on, Bradley!
Good job!
Yep, we're back in our usual spot here. Water's really warm, a little bit windy, but still good. Don't run away, come back. Do you know what day it is?
May 4th. May the 4th be with you.
We gotta binge watch all of the Star Wars movies tonight.
Okay.
So they've been building a new jetty for the end of Stump Pass over there, and I'm gonna give you guys an inside look at where they're at with it from the air. It is so different already. At the end of Stump Pass, the beach never used to be that big. It used to be just a narrow strip of beach, and all of those dead trees that you see were all in the water. So all of that extra sand wasn't there before. What up, beautiful?
I want a smoothie. Why do some girls wear their bikinis like this?
I don't know, why don't you ask them?
Not up so high, dumbass.
I'm sorry.
That's not natural.
It's hard to hold the camera and do this.
You just do it
You
natural.
put so much pressure on me. I'm just trying to make.
Look, we're just pretend the camera's not even here.
It's not even there. The camera's not even there. Go.
Okay, listen. When the wave was like at its highest point, you could see like a school of fish in it.
This bird is just floating here. Goodbye, little birdie. Goodbye. Holy Jesus. Has anyone ever told you how beautiful you are?
Has anyone ever told you how annoying you are?
Actually, the internet seems to love me right now. We've gained like 30 subs in the past 2 days. Hey, it's May 4th. Ready? You will, get off my nipple. You will subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you will like every video. I believe the correct answer to that question was me, because I tell you that every day. Why are you just gonna walk away from me like that? Don't even care. The disrespect. What was that?
I don't know.
What? You look.
I didn't want sand on my leg.
You look like you were flopping on like a fish.
I didn't want to get sand on my wet legs.
VidCon is like right around the corner. Never been, don't know what to expect. Hopefully it's not a drag because it's outrageous. I want to know who you guys want me to try and meet up with while we're there. Comment below what YouTubers you want me to find and I will do my best to find them. Either way, we're still gonna have a lot of fun. The vlogs are gonna be fire and I hope you guys are excited because it's gonna be lit. Hi.
Uncle Trev.
What's up?
I'm gonna go on the mini.
You're gonna go on the Nini?
Yeah, but it's a big wheel. There's a lot.
They call dirt bikes and motorcycles Ninis.
A lot of knees. And there was a lot of dirt. Then there's bumps.
Okay. How was that, Bradley?
Good.
You gonna be a pro motocross racer?
Yeah.
We've got our cheerleader over here. She's doing a great job. All right, you ready? You ready? Oh God, I haven't ridden one of these in so long. It's a little bumpy out there. I feel like I'm breaking his hands. It is so bumpy. Like, I want to go fast, but if I do, I'm just gonna go like this the whole time. This is more of a day when me and Justin and Rain are riding the dirt bike rather than the kids, because this is so fun. I just got the coolest drone footage of him on this tiny ass bike. Rain has my 1DX, and we're gonna go to where like the big bumps are, because you can get airborne on this thing. I got this camera that I'm gonna set up on the ground, and then I'm gonna use that one handheld. It's gonna be sweet. Here we go. We got the next YouTube vlogger. What's gonna be your channel name? Dirt Bike Riding with Stefan? I think so. That's worth 1 million subscribers.
I'm not sure what was funnier, that.
I've been trying to get like a good slow motion video of the dirt coming up, and I've just been eating all the dirt. I'm crunching on it. Hold it out just like this with 2 hands if you have to.
Say hi to the camera.
Oh God, don't smack yourself in the face.
Here, we go.
Bradley, you
Here, hold it like this.
Now say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi.
The rain is about to go.
My phone.
She is the MVP.
What up?
What do you want?
What up?
All right, I'll pick you up in a second. Where'd she go? Holy shit, she's good.
It's like super slippery.
I really want to see him crash.
Tell him go as fast as you can.
Go as fast as you can. Don't go fast.
Oh my God. The kids are crying. That about wraps it up for dirt biking. Oh my goodness, that makes me want a big one so bad. Stefan's crying. He just wants to be picked up. I'm actually really surprised at how fast that little dirt bike goes. From the drone point of view, it looked like you were hauling ass. What is everyone crying for?
He wants Rain to come in front.
Oh, Rain, they want you back there.
Nah.
They want you to sit.
Shotgun.
I gotta get, I'm really claustrophobic in here now. It's getting to me. There's dirt in places I don't want it to be. Oh, God. Oh, I can breathe.
Bye.
High five.
Say thank you.
High five. You got, dude, I got some awesome drone footage of you today. And you, Stefan. High five. Boom. Fist bump. Oh, just, you just ran into my fist. Okay, come here.
Hey.
We just got out of the truck. We're at Five Guys, and I get out and I see this.
I thought it was a pile of Oreos.
What? I just told you it was a smushed bird. I love how they give you free peanuts here. That's the only reason we come here. Not for the burgers, for the peanuts. Before our food came, Rain decided to spill root beer all over me, as you can see. But it's okay though, because now I smell like a root beer float. We've got the Cajun fries, we've got the burgers, and we've got the lady.